What if I told you a poor farm boy with nothing more than a dream and a toolbox went on to build an empire that changed the world? Forget Elon Musk. The real-life Iron Man was actually a farm boy from 1860. Today, we're taking a hilarious look at how Henry Ford, despite having zero experience, went from fixing watches to building cars that changed the world. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of Henry Ford, the man who put America on wheels. Stay tuned for this on a journey of innovation, determination, and a whole lot of horsepower. Imagine a young boy and hands perpetually smudged with grease and tinkering with clocks under the dim glow of an oil lamp. This wasn't some fictional inventor in a dusty attic. It was Henry Ford, and born in 1860 on a Michigan farm. Unlike the wealthy industrialists of his time, Ford's story wasn't one of inherited privilege, but of relentless curiosity and an insatiable hunger to conquer machines. Ford's ambition wasn't merely to fix things, it was to create them. He dreamt of a world where the automobile wasn't a luxury toy for the rich but an accessible chariot for the everyday man. This dream fueled his nights spent hunched over blueprints and his days experimenting in makeshift workshops. Before we move further, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. His early ventures sputtered and stalled, and each failure a stepping stone, and each lesson a hard-won gem. He married Clara, and a woman who became his anchor and partner in his audacious pursuits. Finally, in 1903, the Ford Motor Company roared to life. But simply building cars wasn't enough. Ford craved efficiency and a streamlined symphony of metal and muscle. His inspiration struck in the unlikeliest of places, a Chicago slaughterhouse. The assembly line, and where cattle moved from station to station, and sparked a revelation. He translated this concept to his factory, and creating a ballet of human and machine, and each worker a cog in a well-oiled engine churning out the revolutionary Model T. The Model T, and with its affordability and durability, became the car of the people. It transformed not just transportation, but society itself. Farms became linked by asphalt arteries, and rural communities thrummed with newfound mobility. And the American dream rumbled to life on four wheels. Ford's impact transcended automobiles. He championed the $5 workday and recognizing the dignity of labor and its power to fuel prosperity. He became a symbol of American ingenuity and a testament to the transformative power of a restless mind and unwavering determination. His story wasn't without its blemishes. His views on labor and social issues remain debated. But his core legacy, the democratization of the automobile and the revolutionizing of mass production, stands as a testament to the potential that lies within ordinary hands and fueled by extraordinary dreams. Hard work is the only key to success, so it doesn't matter which background you belong to. So we hope you like our video, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.